Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is AFAN. So if you're stopping by my channel, thank you for watching my channel. And today I'm gonna make a cooking show a video just for you guys. I just want to share the recipe with you guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do click the subscribe button and also give a like so I know what kind of video that you guys like it. And also if you got any recommendation, any feedback, please do not hesitate to leave your comment down below. And if you already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for enjoying my channel. So this is the channel that I just threw a bunch of video, very random video. It kind of like travels, also cooking show, and also there's some lifestyle, fashion, and also any video that you guys enjoy to watch. So on today's video, I'm gonna make a dessert. This is a Malaysian dessert. It's very famous in Malaysia. If you like sweet and if you got like sweet tooth, so this could be your favorite. So in Malaysia, this dessert they always do during Eid or during Ramadan as well. So if you go to bazaar, Ramadan is like a market food, so they sell a lot of this dessert. It's nice to have in the evening time and also the night time. So if you cook in the morning, you can still eat them during the evening time or night time with your family. So the ingredient is very simple. You don't need or you don't require a lot of ingredient. It is a very simple way to cook it, and I'm going to show you guys all the ingredients that we needed, and then step by step how to do it, what is the measurement and everything. So if you guys want to see me cooking this dessert called Puteri Mandi, so keep on watching. Alright, so the ingredient are 3 pandan leaf, alright, and also you need a glutinous rice flour, so you can put 2 cups, and also a salt, and the brown sugar, and the coconut milk. And also there's a slight different recipe. So this is when people get confused and they also ask me like, okay, is it the same recipe as the badak berendam and also Puteri Mandi? So the difference is, I think badak berendam it has like a lot and also a big chunk of bubbles. They call like this shape, this big. And also for Puteri Mandi, they have like a very tiny and small, like a bubble tea size. So that is a different, but it depends on the person, how the way they cook it. And some people love to put like white sugar, and there's some people love to put brown sugar, and also they add up like all this ingredient to enhance the recipe and also enhance the taste. So it's really depend on the individuals. But today I'm gonna show you guys the way I'm making it. It is very simple. I still remember when I was a kid, my grandmother used to cook this, and then I just love them. You know, like first of all, I just help my grandmother and then roll it, all this kind of like bubbles, and I help them to roll it, and then she will cook it for me, and I will repeat to eating this like so many times in a day. And then because she knew that I like this dessert, and she keep making it like every month, and I just love them. You know, like it's not like very sweet. Depends. Some people use white sugar, then it's gonna be really sweet. But I prefer to use, you can use a brown sugar as well. So I prefer to use brown sugar, which is not overly sweet, and I love them. So that is my childhood dessert that I love the most. So today I just decided to sharing with this recipe with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so there is a 2-step. All right. Okay, the first step we're gonna make the dry ingredients, and also the second one we're going to make the wet ingredients. So what do you need for the dry ingredients? It's 2 cups of the glutinous rice. Okay, and also pinch of salt. Also you can measure like a teaspoon of salt, and also a cup of water or 2 cups of water. It depends when you get a right dough, so you can roll it like a bubble tea. That is fine, that it should be okay. All right, in front of me I got this glutinous rice, 2 cups, and then we're gonna add on a salt. So we're going to add on a teaspoon of salt. You don't need like too much salt because we're gonna put salt again on our wet ingredients. So I think 1 teaspoon is good. All right. Okay, and then you can add on some water. All right. So you add on water slowly, bit by bit, until you get the right consistency. Like, you know, until you can roll it. So I'm just gonna use my hands. So this is very simple way using my hands. So until you can roll it, so it should be okay after that. All right, so after you add on water until you get like this, like dough consistency, like this, I'm going to show you guys. Oh, it's really thick. Let's see, like this dough kind of thing, you know. So until you get this, then you can start roll them up. Okay, and also you can add on, like for me, I will add on some pandan flavor as well, so it's kind of like enhance the bubbles as well. When you taste it, it doesn't taste the, you know, at least it has some taste, you know, like a pandan flavor taste. So I'm just gonna add on like 1 teaspoon maybe for this. Okay, so in another bowl I just put some glutinized flours here. So we're gonna roll it, make it like a small, it depends on you. So if you want to make it small, you can do it small. If you want to make it big, you can make it big. Like for me, I don't like too big, so I'm just going to make very small, and then you just chucks in this second bowl. So the reason why we put the flowers on the second bowl, because we don't want them to stick together, and also we don't want them to stick on the bowl as well, so otherwise it will lose the shape. So we're just gonna make this very quickly, then I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. Alright, so I just done roll it all this tiny bubbles, so I show you. So it's gonna look like this. You see, so this is this much, one bowl, so you can have for like 2 or 3 person family, siblings, whatever. So you can all have them, so this much. So roll it until like this, and then you let it sit for a while, and then we're gonna go through the wet ingredients. So we're gonna start cooking, and then I'm gonna show you how to cook this. We're gonna prepare the wet ingredient and cook in the stove, and let's go. And also I forgot to mention to you, so okay, I'm gonna tell you if you want to put like some color, what do you call, like food coloring. So you can put some food coloring if you want to make a rainbow, or if you want to make green, red, yellow, or any kind of color, so you can do that. So before you putting after you put it, like make it as a dough, so you can put some color. Up to you, you can do that. Or if you don't want to put any colors, you can put the flavor, like a flavor pandan. For me, I choose to put pandan flavor. You can put any flavors that you want, up to you, depends on your creativity. So if you want color, put color. If you want flavor, put flavor. So that's it. Okay guys, so now we're going to make the wet ingredients. So you need a pan, obviously. So you add on like a bit of water, so you can add like maybe 2 cups or 3 cups of water, and then you boil them, and then let it boil until it's boiling. And then we got coconut milk, brown sugar, and also pandan leaf right here. So this is all the ingredients that we needed for the wet cook. Alright, so as you see here, so the water is completely boiled, and then we're gonna add on some coconut milk. So if you want to measure the coconut milk, you can put 2 cups of coconut milk here. So we're gonna add on here, and then you can put the pandan leaf. So you can smell the fragrance once you put the pandan leaf. Let it cook for a while, and then you can smell the mixtures of the pandan leaf and also the mixtures of the coconut milk. It's all come together, and it's all in the same smells and fragrance. It's really nice, and it's a beautiful dessert in Malaysia that you should try at home. And lastly, we're going to put the brown sugar. So again, I'm telling you, you can put, depends on your sweet. So if you want more sweet, then you can put 3 cups of sugar or 2 cups sugar or maybe 1 cup sugar, depends on you. So up to you, I don't mind. Alright, so after you stir it for 5 and 10 minutes, so we're gonna start put all this bubble that we just made. So slowly put everything in your pan, so make sure, because the water is boiled, do not burn your hand. So slowly take them out. Okay, so you just keep continue cooking. So how do you know like all this bubble is been cooked? So you just wait until the bubble floating around the surface. So now you will see all this bubble is already on the surface. So that means, so this is fully cooked already. So you take them away from the stove and then it's ready to eat. So it is very simple. Alright guys, so see, that's all for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoy it, because it's not difficult, isn't it? So it's so simple, and it's only take you maybe like 45-50 minutes or maybe 20 minutes depending on how fast you're working. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. I hope you guys enjoy watching me cooking stuff. So you know what, because if you want to see me doing more Malaysian dishes, or you want to get to know like more Malaysian recipes, so please leave your comment in the comment section below. So I will be happy to make a new video for you guys. So, and also if you have any recommendation for the next video on my channel, so please do not hesitate, just hit the comment section guys, and I'll be happy. What kind of video do you want me to do it for you guys? I would love to do it. Okay, so it's not difficult, isn't it? So I hope you guys enjoy it. You know, you can eat with your family, you can eat with your friend, you can eat with anybody, you know. And then if you know, like if next day you don't know, like your friend may be coming over to your home, so you don't know like what kind of food you want to serve them, so maybe you can do this. You know, it's not that difficult. So yeah, that's all for today's video guys. Make sure if you love this channel, and if you love watching me cooking, so if you enjoy also this channel, so please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so you will get a notification whenever I post a video on my channel. So please don't miss that. Okay, so I will see you guys next time. Please have a good and lovely day as usual, and also be respectful to each other, and also be nice to each other, because we all living in the same world, we all live in the same earth. So there's no point fighting each other, and also there's no point of making really fuss about each other places or race or religion, because you know, at the end of the day, we all human, so we all want to stay in one place, and we all want to be happy with our family, friends, and also relatives. So, well, be kind to each other. So that is the main thing. So I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.